Assalamualaikum guys, how are you guys doing today? What's up, how are you doing? Today I'm going to be making a video for you guys. Most of you guys were requesting it, I believe. But for my car, so my car is already, if you guys know, my headlights are already black, like tinted already. I think they're already black, but I have, if you saw my last video, other video, and my video is now, then go check in my channel below. The link will be in the description below. If you guys see how I was clear coding the lights again, it's pretty good, but it doesn't last too long. And the clear coat stopped peeling off again too, so I'm gonna try tinting it. Let's see if it works. If not, then I'm gonna try to tint it and try to cover all the cracking up, but I'm not gonna cover all the crack. I'm gonna tint the whole light better that way. So just watch the video. Hope you can enjoy it, and let's go bring my car up in the driveway and we'll get started. So be right back. Oh, if I get to wash out. Okay, so let me get some. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm back. As you can see, whenever you're starting any kind of part of your car, like cleaning, whatever you're trying to tint or whatever it is, you always, no matter what, if you wrap, okay, if you guys are into wrapping, like tinting lights, wrapping your car, whatever you do, you gotta always clean the surface out. So before we do that, let me just take out the bumper. Because I think if I take the bumper, it'll be easier for me. So I'm going to take out the bumper, and then we'll get started. I'm not taking the buffer fully, which is good, but I can. Actually, I can. Twist the light bulb. What the hell? How did you fucking? I've been doing it on my car. It's just stuck in me. Oh, weird. Dude, I'm gonna take a bumper off and just stick it on your head here. Yeah, like that, and then we'll take a product with you. So you can use any cleaning product you want. I'm gonna be using like Windex. For it. And make sure you have the hoods open. If you have a closed, it's really hard for you to wrap it. Better get over it. And you don't have to like wet the wrap more than, I mean, most people have to wrap with the wrap material, yes, but I wouldn't recommend it. YouTube is really kind of hard to do it, so I mean, if you wet the glass, you're good. So you'll be able to like, it won't be sticky, and it will be able for you to like, adjust it more back and forth. When it sticks, all you screw it and take it out, the sticker comes. I recommend you wet it up. I'll show you guys. I mean, what wrap you get, like, or tint you get, oh, it's coming in clear, like a plastic. So what you need to do is, I would do this situation is, you put the wrap on top of the car. Make sure you always give out extras, so you know how much you need to put, so you can have the coverage. And then once you find how much you need, you get your cutting board, like cutting. You can use a scissor or a blade, doesn't matter. Double check your on measure, how big you need it. Make sure you guys take your time. Make sure you guys take your time when you're wrapping it or whatever you're doing. If you're doing a rush, it's gonna look weird. And Here's the thin piece I got. How I need it. I'm sorry because you can't see because that's what it is. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is, for the left headlight, I'm gonna just spray on the thing. For spray, I'm gonna take the old tint out. Hold on. Forgot last time when I tried to clean the headlight last time, I had Windex. I tried to like wrap it. I'm like buff it out like with Windex and shit. I went with toothpaste. So I had some leftover toothpaste. Next, if your car is getting faded, any part of your car, like whether it is your window, your door, your window glass for your window, whatever, I recommend using a toothpaste for help you guys.